And we're back at Tara's scrapping table, and we're gonna do an inspirational project for you today. I picked up all these items at AC Moore when they were still over at when they were still open in my area. So I got this bird cage, and I got the feathers. I don't know why I call them leaves. So I want to glue them all down. And this is just something that I thought was nice. And I liked it, and I'll tell you why. I got a blue bird for my hubby. And a yellow bird for me. Because we like those colors a lot. And now I've become more of a blue person, but then recently it's just, I'm all over the place. I like my pinks, I like my purples. Okay, let's see how well this is gonna work. That's good. We want to put the nest on the side. Okay, and I got this. I'm using my close to my heart heating mat. And I'll link the item number below in the description bar. Actually, my husband will do all that fun stuff. He's so good. He cuts out all the bloopers. He's going to do a blooper reel when we get to 100 videos, so. Alright. I think I'm just going to have to stand up for this. Why am I... This is the second time I'm using this glue gun. Just want to lay them down there. I like simple projects because I don't have energy to do elaborate projects that take forever. I would love to. Okay. Now we're just gonna lay these in there. I got a nice little sprig or spray. I like the purple and the green. Thought that would be nice to put in there. Doesn't. Pile over there. I don't know why I'm out of frame. Okay. And take the little blue bird and put some glue on him. Wanted to try to make them kiss because they're in love. Okay. Okay, then we close that up. still trying to get used to this. Okay, then we're going to close this up. There we are, and got a cute little fairy. Love her. And I'm just going to put her right up here. And I'll still be able to use this to hang. Okay, so let's put a little bit, dollop of glue. See how that works. And we'll just hold it down a sec. Okay, so I hope you like, and I hope that's going in a blooper. Well, they really, let me put the high temp. Let me see. I just switched to high temp, seeing if that's going to make a difference. Maybe if you have suggestions, please put them down below. Maybe I'm not using the right adhesive for the right project. Hey, I'm open to suggestions. Okay. Okay, and we'll go right here. This project is more for me, so I can have more inspiration around me. Now we're done. Now she's holding up. Okay. And there we have it. I hope you like. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And come back again and check out another one of my videos. We'll be doing a lot this week. Thanks so much and have a great night.